Republicans are putting Massachusetts children and families in jeopardy with this shutdown. While families are gathering around the kitchen table, figuring out how they will make ends meet, Donald Trump is refusing to come to the negotiating table. If Republicans do not reverse their health care cuts, some rural hospitals are going to close their labor and delivery units, forcing someone in labor to travel twice as far to deliver. Families will lose coverage and postpone visits to the doctor, risking their health problems becoming more severe. Hospitals and community health centers will be overcrowded, forcing patients to wait longer for care. The urban hospitals, the urban community health centers, they're going to get flooded by all of the additional patients, which will be looking for the care which their families need, right here in Upham's Corner, at Boston Municipal Health Center. All around our region, we're going to see this flood of patients. People fighting cancer or addiction will lose their care or have to pay dramatically more for that care. Research funding going to find the cure for cancer or Alzheimer's will go away. They are slashing research for Alzheimer's, for cancer, for diabetes, for all of the diseases which run through the genetic code of every single person. And they are stopping the research on finding the cure for those diseases. And the Democrats are saying, you cannot shut down the government because you don't want to fund those programs to provide for every single family in our country. People are going to get sick while the rich get richer because of Donald Trump and Republicans' health care cuts. The great Massachusetts sage of Concord, Ralph Waldo Emerson, once said that health is the first wealth. If health is the first wealth, Trump and Republicans want to make sure American families go broke. And they want to take that money in order to give it to the wealthiest people in our society. So the Republicans just robbed the American people of their health care coverage, and now they're expecting the Democrats to drive the getaway car. We're not going to drive the getaway car with the funding for the health care of every family in our nation. We're going to stand and we're going to fight. And if they want a health care shutdown, showdown, we're ready to have it. Because what we're talking about are families all across our nation who need that care. And what are Democrats fighting for? To put health before wealth, to preserve access to health care, to prevent health insurance costs from increasing by potentially thousands of dollars each and every month, and to protect the health and well-being of American families. The people of Massachusetts have my word. I am going to keep fighting every single day as the lead Democrat on the health subcommittee in the United States Senate. This is bringing out the Malden in me every single day. I am going to fight for the health care for every single person that needs it and deserves it. This is just simply too much at stake. So now let me turn and represent, introduce to you Audrey Morse Gastire, Executive Director of the Massachusetts Health